Hi guys, today I am making a simple version of Korean rice cake soup known as Tteokguk. This dish is traditionally eaten during the Lunar New Year, symbolizing a fresh start and adding a year to your age. Well, instead of the classic bowl, I am serving mine in a convenient plate style, perfect for quick meals and can easily be found in convenience stores. On New Year's Day, family gather and enjoy a warm bowl of Tteokguk together. The main ingredients is thinly sliced rice cake called garetteok. They have a chewy and comforting texture, and when simmered in broth, they soak up all the delicious flavors. The white color of the rice cake also represents purity and a fresh start. Traditionally, the soup is served with toppings like egg ribbons, sliced beef, and roasted seaweed, but today I'm making a convenient plate style version, keeping the same heartwarming taste but easy to prepare and enjoy. What I love about Tteokguk is how simple yet meaningful it is. A single bite carries both comfort and history. Whether you share it with family on New Year's Day or make it anytime you crave something warm and nourishing, the dish is a reminder of togetherness, hope, and good health. While this isn't the traditionally prepared style of Tteokguk, I really did enjoy this and I look forward to trying more Korean foods. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever tried Tteokguk and if you will like to try Tteokguk. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned a thing or two. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!